learn how to make fan with the help of DC motor. So let's see what we will need and let's begin. We will need a fan, a DC motor, some batteries, a switch and extra wire. We have attached the two wires to the DC motor. Now we will attach the green wire to the negative point of the battery. Now we will attach the red wire to the one end of the switch. We will take the extra wire and attach the another end of the switch. It's attached. Now we will take the wire and attach the positive end of the battery. The circuit is now ready. Now let's attach the fan. Now let's see how our fan works. We will put on the switch. Whoa, it's very fast. Now let's make a project out of this. First we will attach a DC motor, the battery. We will attach the switch with a double tape like this. Now let's attach this fan.